What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is Msjaylajoy here. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So as you can see, your girl is in Miami. Okay, we just touched down like an hour ago, and when I tell you it is humid, girl, this sweatshirt needs to come off because I'm not gonna last. I need to put on my shorts and everything. Anyways, I want to give you guys a little tour of my Airbnb. Really small, really straight to the point. So like this is like a hotel, but they like Airbnb rooms all throughout the hotel, I guess. I don't really know, but I'm glad we're here and they got air conditioning because it's so hot outside. Anyways, let me give you guys a little tour. So when you first come in, here's the door. We got the safe. There's me, microwave, fridge, refrigerator. So we got a little small basic TV. We're not even really be watching TV. Anyways, you got this big window. Thank God we could close the blinds because I know it's gonna be shining in on us in the morning. Then you got this little setup here, this little desk, which is nice because your girl got some homework to do over this trip. Then you got a chair here too. And then you got a nightstand with a lamp. And then this is the bed with a few towels, which is nice. So yeah, it's cute. I think this is a queen size bed. Another nightstand. So this is basically the overview of the room. Then got a little rack right there. Here's me. So we got a little mirror here. Stand-up mirror, which is nice. That's always nice. And then we come into the bathroom. So this bathroom is really small, but it's cute. So you got the little sink, the mirror, and then obviously the toilet. And then we have the shower, which the shower is really cute. I'm just trying to figure out. Oh, are you serious? So you're telling me that when we take a shower, this is gonna be open? So we're gonna get water all on this floor because there's nothing to slide to close it. Well, that's different. I don't know how that's gonna work, but yeah, this is the shower. I really like the shower. It's just cute and petite. So yeah, that's basically my Airbnb. Pretty small, y'all. Like the Airbnbs that we wanted like a little tiny apartment, but those Airbnbs were either super far from Miami Beach or they were like $300 a night. So no. Anyway, this was like reasonable price, I guess. And like the Airbnbs were going really quick, so this is what I got that was like semi nice. But anyways, we're finna relax for a little bit and then we finna hit these streets, see what Miami is talking about. So I will check back in with you guys once.
This one more bitter. Yeah.
You can get drunk off it too.
Yeah, you can.
It's
It takes a couple of them.
Okay, the only thing is these drinks are like $15.
No, that's why I was getting Corona. It's only $7. That's the bottle.
Okay, so this is my big nachos I got. Fried chicken burger, and this is what is it again?
Chicken.
All right, y'all. So we just rented some mopeds. I'm about to hop on with my boyfriend. I'm low-key scared, but
We're gonna have some fun. Okay, y'all, so we're riding the mopeds. There's my peoples back there. I'm about to ride next, and I'm scared. But
I wish you could play
y'all, it's
music
hot.
out of these.
Huh?
I wish you could play music.
Oh, I know, right? But I'm next, so I'm excited. I'm scared though. I haven't done this in like 2 years.
So here's the moped. Me and my
boyfriend been driving. Y'all, like I was planning on driving it, but the fact that the way these lashes was working, girl, like my lashes when the wind hits, like my lashes going up and down, like I cannot see. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. But we've had it for about 2 hours, and so we're about to go return it. We're currently at H&M because my brother has to get some swim shorts, and then after we've turned the bikes, we're about to hit the beach, go on the beach, and then we're going to grab something to eat and get drunk, y'all. So I will check back in with you guys once we hit the beach. So now we are at the beach. Can't wait to show you guys a view of it. And y'all, I'm hot, like for real. We're at the beach, y'all. Good morning, y'all. So today is Thursday and I am tired and I have a headache. But we are about to go to CVS to get me some Tylenol, and then we're gonna go grab us some brunch. So I will check back in with you guys once we hit this brunch spot. So we're at a place called the Big Pink, and I got me some chicken and waffles. You know, this is my favorite. We're currently at the jet ski place, about to ride jet skis. I really wish I could take you guys, but I can't. So hopefully I'll be able to take videos and show you.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. If you're sitting down, if you're on the bar, I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things